Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed to share expenses with a roommate, partner, or even a friend? Maybe you're splitting rent, groceries, or even a vacation fund. And you've probably thought, wouldn't it be great if there was a super easy way to manage these shared costs without the hassle? Well, if you're a Chime user, you might be wondering, can I add someone to my Chime account? Let's dive in and find out. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why adding someone to your Chime account could be a game changer. Imagine you and your roommate share a Chime account. You can automatically split rent, utilities, and even those spontaneous pizza nights. No more awkward IOU conversations or scrambling to Venmo someone back. It's like having a built-in financial buddy system. And it's not just for roommates. Maybe you and your partner want to save for a down payment on a house. By pooling your resources into a joint Chime account, you can watch your savings grow faster. Or, if you're planning a group vacation, you can use a shared account to collect contributions from everyone involved. Can you add someone to your Chime account? So, the big question is, can you actually add someone to your Chime account? Well, the short answer is, not directly. Chime doesn't offer a feature where you can add a joint owner to your account. But don't worry, there are still ways to manage shared finances with Chime. Alternative solutions. Joint account with a traditional bank. If you really need a joint account with full ownership for both parties, you might consider opening one at a traditional bank. While this involves a bit more paperwork, it gives you complete control over the account. Chime Split the Bill feature. Chime does offer a feature called Split the Bill, which is a great way to handle shared expenses. You can easily create a group and invite friends or roommates. Everyone can contribute their share, and you can even set up automatic payments. External money management apps. There are several third-party apps designed for group finances. These apps integrate with your Chime account and provide features like bill splitting, budgeting, and expense tracking. In-depth look at Split the Bill. Let's take a closer look at Chime's Split the Bill feature. To use it, you'll need to create a group. You can give your group a name, like roommates or the vacation fund. Once the group is created, you can invite your friends or roommates to join. When it's time to split a bill, you simply create a new request. You enter the total amount, add a description, like rent for April, and select the people who need to contribute. You can even set a due date. Once you send the request, everyone in the group will receive a notification. They can then contribute their share directly through the app. It's super easy and eliminates the need for manual transfers or cash exchanges. Additional tips. Clear communication. Even with tools like Split the Bill, it's essential to have open communication with your roommates or partners about shared finances. Discuss expectations, budgeting, and how you'll handle unexpected expenses. Regular reviews. Set aside time to review your shared finances regularly. This helps ensure everyone is on the same page and that there are no surprises. Emergency fund. Consider creating a separate emergency fund for shared expenses. This can help cover unexpected costs without disrupting your regular budget. While Chime doesn't offer traditional joint accounts, its Split the Bill feature and integration with third-party money management apps make it a solid choice for managing shared finances. By understanding your options and communicating effectively with your group, you can find the best solution to fit your needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.